In today's video, we are going to prepare fish potato curry. This is a simple recipe which we very often make at our home. And that is the plating that I have done. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Plants, Crochet, Cooking and more. And without wasting any time, let's start off with the recipe. Here, as you can see, I've taken 3 fish pieces along with the head, marinated with turmeric powder and salt and fried it in a karai. Remember to cover the karai while frying it because it is going to splutter. I'm going to use only the 3 pieces for the recipe today and I'll keep the head separately for another dish. The other things that I'm going to use is I'm going to cut the potatoes into wedges. I'll use an onion. Let me remove the fried head first. Either I'll make a ghonto or maybe muri ghonto, that is another dish, Bengali dish, I may make that. Then if you have coriander leaves, you can use that in this recipe, and some green chilies. So let's start off. First and foremost, we will slice the onions. So the onions are sliced, and now I'm going to heat the karai with the oil. I'm going to use the same oil. If you think that the oil is not sufficient, you can add some more, but remember to heat it again to smoking if you are using mustard oil. We'll get on with the tempering first. I'm going to add kalo jeera or kalonji or the black cumin, whatever you may call it. Let it splutter for some time. It is going to leave its aroma. Just give it a stir. Next comes in the onions, the sliced onions. Stir this till it slightly changes its color. Lower the flame. And then you add the ginger paste, the garlic paste, and stir it once again. After frying it for some time, you add in the potato wedges. And then give it a good stir. These potatoes can be fried while you're frying the fish as well and kept it aside, but I prefer to do it in the same way. Like I add it along with the onions and fry it. I don't remove it separately. Now in goes the spices. That is the cumin powder, the coriander powder. This is Kashmiri red chili powder for the color. The turmeric powder. Salt. And a dash of sugar. And then stir all this well. You can add a little water into it. So let me tell you of the spices. We have added the jeera powder, dhania powder, Kashmiri red chili powder and the haldi powder along with salt and sugar. Now we will add the slit green chilies into it. This gives a very good flavor to this curry. Stir it well. You'll see that the oil has started oozing out from the sides. Time to add in the water. Preferably hot water. I use hot water. Give it a good stir. and then cover it so that the potatoes are cooked. After some time, remove the cover and just check and see if the potato is cooked or not. It is cooked, about 90% it is cooked. So now we are going to add the final water into it. Along with the water, you will add the slurry as well. Now by now you must have known what is slurry if you have been following my videos. You add this, and once it starts to come to a rolling boil, you add in the fish pieces into it. When it is still boiling, you add a little bit of chopped coriander leaves into it and leave some for the garnishing. At this point of time, please check the salt as well. If you think that you need a little more salt, you can add the extra salt and then stir it once again and give it a boil. Please be gentle while stirring or else the fish is going to break. Now it is completely done. We will keep this much of water content in it because it is the maach'r jhol, that is the fish curry. It is completely ready to be served. Give it some standing time before you start serving it. This is our fish potato curry. Now let me show you the plating. What we had is this bitter gourd fry. This is how we started. Followed by the ash gourd dry curry or chal kumror ghonto, in which I have added the fish head, and then the star of the meal, which is the fish potato curry. Hope you liked our video. Do give it a try and let us know about it. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment and share, and do subscribe to our channel. The ingredients list are as follows. Till we meet again in the next video, it is bye-bye.